Hi, I'm the PC Expert Amateur, and we're going to take a look at the Thermaltake Ring 14 with yellow LED ring. And it looks like there's only one LED powering that entire ring running around the inside of the frame there, which you'll see momentarily. It does come with a low noise cable, which is this one. It also comes with both regular and radiator screws, and it comes with an adapter so you can connect it to your power supply. It's got a 3-pin enclosure, but it's a 2-pin, and then there are 2 wires for the Molex D connector. So let's take a look at this. Ugh, it doesn't want to come out. When in doubt, push it out. Okay. And this is a single cable fan. Therefore, the fan is sharing power with the LED. And with all of these, if you want to snip the electricity going to the LEDs, you'll get more power for the fan. So I don't know how much better it'll be that way, but it'll be better. And this is a 3-pin connector. And you can see the clear plastic ring there. And it has these lovely, kind of a reverse bumblebee effect with the bright yellow cushions on the corners. And the cable is sleeved. Righto. So let's take a look at it visually. So yeah, it's like a little bumblebee. Well, not so little at 14 centimeters. Kind of noisy too, but I'll let you hear that in just a second here as I slow it down. Okay, just about there. Now the LEDs have gone off because there's not enough power to share with the fan. Okay, that's about as slow as it's going to go. And these must not have very good bearings. They're hydraulic, and hydraulic tends to be very hit or miss. You never can tell when it says hydraulic or hydro or even HDB, and sometimes FDB also. There are some FDBs that are absolutely horrible. So there is, hopefully you can hear it, there's kind of a grunting almost noise from this fan. It's getting louder. Hopefully you can hear it now. Bit of harmonics there. And again. And again. So, there's the maximum. And if we consider that the maximum speed of this fan is 1400 RPMs, it's probably going to be a relatively noisy fan at 2000 if we could bump it up to that speed. Now, what can we use this fan for? That's what everybody always wants to know, right? So this is obviously a good case fan because it has decent airflow and quite good static pressure. Also, it would be suitable for an appropriately sized air cooler. However, given that it's only 1.58 millimeters of water, then I would not suggest using this on a radiator for a water cooling system. And I always find it baffling when I see a water cooling system that has less than 2 millimeters of water for fans for the radiator, because it just doesn't make sense to me. It's just going to have such low airflow that it's going to be necessary for you to replace the fans. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at these specs. All right, so the Thermaltake Ring 14 Yellow, or CL-F039-PL14YL-A, and also it's marked as the TT-1425 A1425L12S. I don't know which of those are for the bearings or for the motor or what it is exactly. Let's see, is there anything special? Already mentioned everything. It was a $15 fan when I got it. Certified CE TÜV, Underwriter Laboratories E225507 EAC and ROHS. Made in China. 140 by 25, 40,000 hours, 2-year warranty. Yellow LED. As far as I can tell, there's only one of them. And there's 190 grams of weight, 7 blades, 125 millimeters between holes, 1,000 RPMs with the low noise adapter. Otherwise, the maximum is 1,400. And I don't have any minimum information for that. The airflow is 51.15 CFMs. The static pressure is 1.58 millimeters of water. The fan noise maximum with the LNA is 22.1. Maximum without is 28.1 decibels. The fan's cable is 46.5 centimeters. It's not daisy chained. It is sleeved. It uses a 3-pin DC connector. Dual ball bearings. No, that's not right. I don't know how I got that messed up there. It's some kind of hydro, so I just mark ball hydro dynamic bearing. 12 volts, 3 watts, maximum safety of 3.6, 0.25 amps, a maximum of 0.3 amps. No indicators for direction of flow and rotation. It does turn in a clockwise direction. 4 screws, 4 rad screws, 4 corner. It's got the corner cushions, the 13.5 centimeter low noise adapter, and the Molex D to 2-pin, which is a 32 centimeter connector. And that is all. I'd like to thank Grindler at Bleeping Computer for allowing me to share my videos and posts on his website. Bleeping Computer has a lot of resources, including vetted programs, malware removal instructions, malware removal volunteers, other kinds of volunteers for IT, cybersecurity information, and more. It's a great place to go. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.